Well, we're here at BB Aero in Charters Towers. We arrived yesterday, and if you just come along, I'll show you Baz. Don't be alarmed, it's only a routine tech stop, and Barry is doing an oil change this morning. Morning, Barry. What are you up to this morning?
Doing a oil change and filter change on Bravo Alpha Zulu. I like to do 3 every 100 hours, and so we've selected the fine place of Charters Towers to do this, and yeah, it won't take me a few minutes. We dropped the oil yesterday after it was hot, and so now it's just the new filter and top it up with oil again. Good check over, and we'll be ready to leave tomorrow morning on the next part of our trip.
Thanks. You. I'll just have a little scan around the engine bay.